In this lesson, we're exploring the Notebook Toolbar, the set of controls that help you manage each notebook quickly. These tools let you rename notebooks, add tags, pin important items, view notebook info, and manage tabs. Everything we cover here applies to each notebook individually and helps keep your library organized. Let's get started. All items you see in your library are referred to as notebooks, and the tools we're covering apply to each notebook individually. Mastering these features now will save you time and keep your content organized. In the library, go ahead and click on the notebook that we created earlier. Once you have it open, at the top of the screen, you're going to see the Notebook toolbar. Here, we're able to rename the notebook by tapping in the field and then clicking off of the screen. You have the ability to add tags using the existing tags or following what we learned in the previous lesson, how to create a tag. You're able to pin the notebook by clicking on the pin. You have the ability to see where the location of the notebook is, and by tapping on the hyperlink, you can either create a new folder or you can move it to an existing folder, which I'll do now. You can also see the date created, the updated date, the size, and tapping on open in a new window will enable the multitasking mode. And now your tips and best practices. Tags and folders work best together for cross organization. Pin notebooks you access often to keep them at hand. Use notebook info to monitor size and updates. And remember, you don't need to organize everything immediately. Start simple and build as you go. And that's it for this lesson. You now know how to, within your notebook, rename, assign tags, and pin your notebook, view notebook info, and manage your tabs. In the next lesson, we'll explore navigation and insert tools, including the hand tool, undo and redo options, and the insert menu, so you can move around your notebook confidently and add content exactly where you want it. I'll see you on the next lesson. In this lesson, we'll explore tools that help you navigate and edit your notebooks efficiently. We'll look at the hand tool, undo and redo options, and the insert menu, so you can move through your planner confidently and add content with ease. In your notebook, go ahead and click on the plus icon, which is the insert. Then the wrench tool will open up the customization window. Here you'll see all the tools available to add or remove to your toolbar. By using the toggle to turn them on and off, and then to rearrange them, you can click and hold on the lines next to the toggle and drag around to reorganize. I'm going to go ahead and turn them all on for now, and as we go through the course, we'll make adjustments as needed. Let's start with the hand tool. Select the hand tool, which should always be first in your toolbar if it's toggled on. This is used to pan across the page by dragging your finger or your Apple Pencil. You can swipe between pages to navigate without leaving your current view. Using the hand tool to review your planner or notebook before making edits helps prevent accidental changes. If you're using the Noteful app on your phone, you have to use this tool in order to navigate through the app. Next up is the undo and redo. Let's go ahead and write out the word undo. And then by tapping the backspace, it will remove a stroke at a time. And then if you do the forward arrow, it will redo a stroke at a time. If you're using the gestures, you can do 2-finger tap to undo, 3-finger tap to redo, 3-finger swipe left to undo, or 3-finger swipe right to redo. Gestures are fast for frequent corrections. Buttons are useful for precise edits. Both are planner safe ways to revert mistakes. Let's tap on the insert button, and here you'll also see the options to add tags, add page, add image, add text box, add shape, sticker, take a photo, or import a file. Some users prefer to hide rarely used tools from their toolbar for a cleaner workspace. The insert menu gives quick access without cluttering. Now for our tips and best practices. The hand tool is best for moving around pages without making changes. Undo and redo allow you to quickly correct mistakes, whether you're writing or placing objects. The insert menu gives you access to common tools without overcrowding your toolbar. You now know how to navigate pages using the hand tool, correct mistakes with undo and redo, and add content using the insert menu. In the next lesson, we'll explore pen and highlighter tools so you can begin writing and customizing your planner. I'll see you in the next one.